There are plenty of leftover food from yesterday's monthly Dana to temple, but I can't miss the opportunity to cook with the fresh produce from our small garden. Most likely, this would be the last crop before the winter. My west-facing garden beds have already gone into hibernation. Today I thought I will show you how to cook banana capsicums. You need a good amount of onion for this as well. Here are the other ingredients you need. Chop onion finely. Use a food processor if you have one. I am going to use cumin, mustard, curry powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder for this dish. Heat the coconut oil. Add cumin and mustard seeds. When they are sizzling, add onion. Chop curry leaves finely before adding it to the mix. Add 2 spoons of turmeric powder and Sri Lankan 5 spice, also known as curry powder. Chili powder is optional. Now add anchovies. You can add more or less depending on your taste. While that is cooking away, finely chop some tomatoes. Anchovies have salt in them, so don't add salt without tasting first. Now let's prepare capsicums. Make an incision in each capsicum like so. Now reduce the heat and fill the capsicum with onion mixture. You can turn off the heat and let the onion cool down a bit before doing this to avoid your fingers getting burnt. But I am used to this. I want to reduce the water content and let onion caramelize, so cook without a lid at this stage. Turn the capsicums halfway through its cooking process. Turn off the heat when onions start to caramelize. We don't want to overcook the capsicums. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications to watch the videos like this as I upload them. Bye for now.